Okay, today we're going to talk a bit on critical illness. In Malaysia itself, the main conditions for critical illness that most people actually claim are actually cancer, stroke, and heart attack. So what sort of policies are there available in Malaysia? We will normally have the basic critical illness. Some of them could cover 36 types, 45, 70 plus. It will constantly evolve to cover more and more. Another one will be actually inclusive of even early critical illness, the early stages. Maybe you don't have to wait all the way until the late stage in order to file a claim. And right now they also have things that are multi-critical illness, where sometimes you may worry that, oh, I've already claimed for this heart attack, can suddenly cancer occurred in a few years later down the road, can I still claim again? So the multi-critical illness will actually ensure that you will still be able to file another claim. Normally they will be able to claim up to 3 to 4 times depending on the area and also the terms and conditions of the policy. So why is critical illness important to Malaysian? Sometimes we may not be aware that we think that, oh, I have a insurance policy, maybe it only covers death or total permanent disability. But what happens if you so happen to get a stroke and you are still alive? You can't get a payout from your death policy. You are still you have bodily function, you have full bodily function, you are not permanently disabled, you still don't get paid for your total permanent disability benefit. So this is where critical illness covers the part for critical illness itself. So you don't have to worry that if you recover from a specific critical illness itself, you can still be able to get a payout and not to worry about your family lifestyle or even finances. As sometimes recovering from critical illness, you may need to take at least 3 to 5 years or even some 10 years to recover before you can be able to function again as a normal person, to maybe go to work, etc., depending on your doctor's advice. The worst part is to be bedridden and you're unable to do your regular job, but at the same time you will still have your home care to pay. Maybe you need to hire a maid to take care, a caretaker to take care of you. So this is where finances plays a very important role, and not only just a basic death and disability insurance plan. A lot of people would think that I have a medical insurance already, so I don't think critical illness is important. Well, we need to understand that medical insurance or hospitalization plan is just only for when you get admitted to the hospital, and it pays for all the hospitalization fee. But I believe you won't be staying 365 days in the hospital itself. A lot of people will want to opt out to go back to their home. So this is where the limit of hospitalization plan will be. They only take care of hospital bills. So critical illness itself is acting as a sort of income replacement for you. This is where you do not need to worry for your family's finances, or sometimes who is within the family to share the financial cost to take care of you while you're recovering. All right, so thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.